Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the startup boost in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So to improve the speed of the Microsoft Edge browser as it starts up, Microsoft developed a feature that's referred to as Startup Boost. So basically how it achieves this is that the browser is running in the background of your computer all the time. So Edge would launch more quickly when you start it up or when you click it, so it would be perceived that it would load up faster. Startup Boost keeps Edge running to some degree in the background of your system, so there are reasons why perhaps obviously you wouldn't want it to always be running in the background. So there are pros and cons to it, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to either turn it on or turn it off depending on your preference. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right corner. It should be represented by a three-dotted icon. Go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says System and Performance. And then on the right side, underneath System, Startup Boost, get to browsing quickly. When this is on, it helps Microsoft Edge open faster when you start your device. So if you want to turn that on, just toggle to the on position. Otherwise, you can just click inside the oval one more time to turn it off. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.